For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Ashish Parekh. It's been many months since the COVID-19 outbreak began and we're still learning new things about the virus and its mode of transmission. And one of the latest discussions has been around urine-based transmissions. Yes, it is a known fact that there is some sort of transmission through human excreta. But having said that, the debate around urine-based transmission began when scientists in China found out that there was live strain of virus was present in the urine sample of a COVID-19 positive patient who had passed away, and that is when this entire debate around urine-based transmission began. But there have also been apprehensions as to how exactly can urine-based transmission occur. While on one hand we are all aware as to how transmission occurs through public toilets, public washrooms, and there have been several reports which have claimed that the first coronavirus patient, that is patient 0 in Wuhan, had visited a public toilet after which he fell sick, and that is where the spread of the virus started from. Male urinals which are which are present in public washrooms have now come under the radar, given the fact that urine-based transmission has been thought of as a very highly likely possible mode of transmission. Now, a latest study published in the journal Physics of Fluid has said that coronavirus could possibly be found in stool or urine, and that flushing urinals can create an alarming upward flow of particles, allowing the coronavirus to travel faster and fly farther than a regular toilet flush. And this means that the urine-based transmission that everyone's been fearing and everyone has been ignoring could possibly be a very highly likely source of transmission, given the fact that there are a lot of public restrooms all across the world, and people are still using that. They think that using public restrooms without touching any surface could keep them safe, but this now is an alarming discovery, and this could possibly go on to highlight as to how the dangers of transmission from public toilets has been ignored for a long time. And also this correlates to a discovery, or rather a study by Yangzhou University in China, which found that coronavirus could be spread through the spray in the toilet, and this also had created a lot of discussion all around. And all of these latest studies are somehow coming together and showing that public toilets, public washrooms, and especially urinals, male urinals, could possibly be a very highly likely source of the contamination of virus, which had gone under the radar for a long time. Through a series of demonstrations, this particular study highlights how the high turbulence flow during flushing of a public restroom urinal creates some sort of a movement which makes sure that the virus present in the toilet bowl is lifted to a very high lifted very high, such that it can be suspended in the particular place for some time, and the person who comes next, who comes to the urinal next, could possibly be exposed to the virus which has been lifted off the toilet bowl where it was first present. So this is likely the source of infection, and what adds on to this particular fear is that two of the re-emerging new cases, or two of the new re-emerging super spreaders in Beijing contracted the virus from a public washroom, and possibly from a urinal present in the public washroom, which goes on to show that this is something that has to be taken seriously, and people need to understand that only touching surfaces is not the only way of contracting the virus in the public toilets. Also, this could possibly be a mode of transmission. Of course, we're talking about how commodes, closing the commodes during flushing can make sure that there is no upward movement of all the virus particles that could be suspended in the air again after the flush. All of that could be avoided. Now, this urinals are also coming under the discussion, given the fact that they are completely open. There is no cover on top of the male urinal which is present in the public washroom, and that a person who might have gone before you, in case he is infected by COVID-19 and has relieved himself there, and then goes on to flush, and then you immediately go after him, you could possibly be exposed to the virus without even touching any part of the urinal. So this is a dangerous development that is happening, and something that people need to understand that is a serious concern. So what are the conclusions of this particular study? Well, the conclusions clearly state that 57% of the particles traveled away from the urinal, and this is something which they deduced from various diagrams and all of these demonstrations that they carried out, of course, trying to understand how exactly the virus could spread. And also they said that virus particles could reach 2 feet of the air within 5 seconds of flushing. Clearly goes on to show that even after those 5 seconds, there could be a possibility that someone someone tries to use the urinal and could be exposed to the virus, very likely without even touching the surface. And they've also recommended that wearing masks when in public washrooms should be made mandatory so that people understand that, not just when you're in crowded places, not just when you're going to any place where there could be potentially, positive patients, even in public washrooms where absolutely there could be absolutely no one near you, there could still be a possibility of the spread of the virus. And again, this is one important mode of transmission that has gone under the radar for a long time now, and now all of these new cases which are coming out, all of the new studies that are coming out are only teaching us more about the virus and the modes of transmission, and this is emerging as one of the most possible, most dangerous mode of transmission, which could have contributed to a lot of positive cases all across the world, especially over the past few months. And a lot of people did not really realize, because everyone thought just touching the surface in the public washrooms could give you coronavirus. So staying away from the surface could be, useful and could keep you away from the virus. But all of these new discoveries are making us understand more about the virus. So what do you guys think of this new study? Do let me know in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thanks for watching.